In a continuous motion, flex your trapezius muscles, the muscles between your neck and shoulders, and raise your shoulders up. Sit up straight. That's what our parents told us. But for some, good posture isn't automatic, especially when you're sitting. Hi, I'm Dr. Wright. Here's a great exercise for a pretty posture that you can do at your desk or in front of the TV. Try this shoulder roll anytime you sense that you are sliding back into a slumped shoulder posture. In a seated position, let your shoulders relax. Flex your chest or pectoralis muscles by bringing your shoulders forward. In a continuous motion, flex your trapezius muscles, the muscles between your neck and shoulders, and raise your shoulders up. Finally, squeeze the muscles between your shoulder blades and bring your shoulders back down. When doing this exercise, keep your upper back muscles contracted and your shoulders back. Your chest should be raised with your shoulders in this position. Soon you'll be sitting higher in your chair and you should feel great. Do this rotation 4 times and then try to maintain this upright posture throughout the day.